In this video, you'll learn how to find a seller on eBay. This guide will walk you through the steps to locate a seller's profile and their listings effectively. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you are on the main home page, look for the search bar positioned at the top of the page. Enter the seller's username if you already know it. This action will help you quickly locate their profile or listings. If you do not have the username, you can also find items by searching for products they may be selling. Carefully review the search results to ensure you identify the correct seller. Selecting one of the seller's listings will take you directly to their profile page. After you have located a seller's listing, click on the seller's username, which is typically displayed near the item description. This click will open the seller's profile page. On this page, you can view important information such as their feedback score and ratings. This information is crucial as it helps you gauge the seller's reliability and selling history. Additionally, many sellers have an online store page linked to their profile. From this section, you can browse all available listings from that seller, giving you a comprehensive view of what they offer. Once you have confirmed that this is the seller you want to keep track of, you can choose to follow or save them. eBay provides the option to save favorite sellers, which allows for easy access in the future. By selecting this option, you can quickly return to their store or listings whenever you need. Saved sellers will be visible in the Saved Sellers section of your account, making it convenient to find them later. Following a seller also helps you stay updated on any new items they list, enhancing your shopping experience. Keep in mind that if you are searching for a seller, having a stable internet connection will improve your experience. Slow internet speeds may result in longer loading times for search results and seller profiles. Additionally, if you're using a mobile device, ensure that your app is updated for the best performance. This can help avoid any glitches while navigating through. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.